Hello and welcome to ChopChopChef. Today we will do a simple sautéed green beans. Yeah, very easy. Okay, what we do? We have obviously our beautiful green beans, haricot vert. Now with the green beans, you can see they have this little stem here, or a lot of them, and they have the end. Most of them, they have a little bit sort of a, you can see it here maybe a little better, yeah? Okay, the beans growing on the vine, obviously like that, and then they get snipped off here. So all what we're doing today is we taking this part off, yeah, like that, and then you just tear it a little bit. Sometimes you have a little bit of string coming along out of this line here, and this one what we want to take out. But these young beans, most of them, they don't have this one. Other thing is, I mean, a lot of people tell you to cut off this little tip here. No need, right? It's beautiful, it's green, it's the same like the rest of the green bean. So why you want to waste it? So we keep that little dot there. Okay, so we do this one here, like that. I do it one more time. So like this one here. We take this stem off just a little bit. I can see just a fine line coming out here. I don't know if the camera can catch this, is difficult. Yeah, so that, and then this one we leave. Okay, now when we have done this one, I did here, that's 100 grams of green beans. In general, if you have any vegetable for your dinner, to calculate around 80 to 100 grams. Yeah, so 80 gram vegetable, that's a good amount what we use. Okay, with these green beans, now this one we blanch very quickly. Blanching, as I explained to you before, we need hot water, which we're having here already buzzing. Beautiful, yeah. And so now we just quickly put our green beans, a little bit salt is in this water, we put them in here and let them just simmer for a little while, say 2 minutes. We want to still that the green beans, they still have a good bite, because we will saute them later on in our pan. That's why it's called sautéed green beans. Alright, just give it 2 minutes. Okay, we got our green beans just under 2 minutes in this simmering water. Now, to keep this beautiful green color, we want to give them a quick shock in ice cold water. Yeah? Okay, we take them out and put them in ice cold water. Okay, we got that one. Beautiful. Now we have to come back here to our chopping board. What's next? Okay, now I take the beans obviously out and I drain them. These beans, yeah, you can leave them whole as it is, right, like that. But I like to just cut them once in an angle, just like that, right? So I take some of those, put them in line roughly, and slowly, just a little bit in an angle, like that, right? That's what we have. Okay, look at that. Okay, so that's what I will do with all of those beans. One more time. Just line them up roughly and take a knife and cut it in an angle. Like that, like that. Yeah? That's just purely purpose for more comfortable eating later on, like a fork bite. Okay, what's next? Next is we're taking those beautiful cold beans, and now what we have here, we will do now, we have fresh butter, onions, bacon, crushed garlic, and fine chopped thyme. Okay, now what we do, very easy, right? We're coming over here to our bread pan and we saute on everything nicely. Okay, we take half of our butter. Oops. In the pan. Okay, and we're putting first our bacon in. Alright, so the bacon, this is just like a bacon rasher, yeah, just like this one here, and I just cut it in very fine dices. Yeah, just one rasher. You can see the dices here. And why I do the bacon first? Because I want that the bacon gets a very light color. If I put the onion in, the onion will be burned before my bacon gets the coloration of it. Just very soft color we want to achieve. So we give the bacon a head start, and then we're adding the onion. Okay, so that is nice, just very soft color. And now we're putting our onion, the same onion, brown or red onion, probably in very fine dices, right? And the same is our crushed garlic. Okay. Okay, now you can see this one already. Now we're putting all our green beans in. Okay. Now it's come the trick, right? If you're good at it, you just do like that. Okay, we put it back on the stove, right? Now what we do is we take a little bit of our cracked pepper, a little bit cracks of the Himalaya salt, any salt will do. And now, when the beans, yeah, you can do it like this as well. Yeah, when the beans are nice and hot, yes, now we're putting our fresh thyme in it as well. And a little bit more butter. Again, we swirl it nicely through our pan, beautiful. And of course we have to try that, right? Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, let's come quickly over here. We just present it nicely. Yeah. Okay. We do this over here. Yes, just we can put this in here. So quickly, you can have beautiful sautéed green beans. Hopefully the camera can catch this beautiful color of these beans. You know, so they're looking better now than they are fresh. Yeah, because we just give them a quick blanch and then shock them in the ice bath. Yeah. So here we go. I mean, there's no need to, but I mean, yeah, if you want to get fancy, you just put this a little bit here on the side. And look, that's what it is. My version for you to enjoy. Sautéed green beans with bacon and thyme. Alright, till next time. Thank you so much for joining me on ChopChopChef.